video, I want to show you my project entitled Smart Alarm Clock. This device is designed to help you wake up easily. The goal is to make waking up more effective and interactive, especially for those who find it hard to get out of bed in the morning. In this demonstration, I'll explain the parts I used, how they are connected, and how the smart alarm clock works. I'll show you how to set the alarm from your phone and how the clock feature works to turn off the alarm. So let's get started. These are the components that I use to make the IoT smart alarm clock. First is breadboard. A breadboard is a plastic board used to bolt and test circuits easily without soldering. It has lots of holes to insert wires and components, making it simple to connect everything together. The second is Node MCU ASP8266. It is a small computer chip with built-in Wi-Fi. It's the main part of smart alarm clock, controlling all the other parts and letting us set alarms using our mobile phones. Next is LCD 16 by 2 with I2C. The LCD is a small screen that shows with time and date. 16 by 2 means it can show 16 characters on each of its two lines. The I2C module makes it easy to connect the screen to the ESP8266. The fourth is buzzer. The buzzer is a small device that makes a loud sound when it's turned on. Is sound detector. The sound detector listens for sounds like claps. So in my project, it listens for 3 claps to turn off the alarm. So the last is jumper wires. A jumper wires are small wires used to connect all the parts on the breadboard. They help link the ESP8266, LCD, buzzer, and sound detector together so they can work as one system. So those are the components that I use to make the smart alarm clock. This video demonstrates a smart alarm clock. The first thing displayed on the LCD is Alarm Clock by Mary Joy. Then, once the Wi-Fi connected, the current time and date will be displayed. As you can see, the time is 12:24 p.m. and the date is June 13, 2024. When you want to set an alarm, make sure your Wi-Fi is the same as the one connected to the smart alarm clock. When we run the system code, we'll see the IP address on the serial monitor. So use that IP address to open the web page and set the time. This is the web page of my smart alarm clock. So let's make an alarm. So let's put 12:25 p.m. Let's wait for the buzzer to ring. One, two, three. If we clap 3 times, the buzzer will stop and the current time and date will be displayed again on the LCD.